Native legal wives a press conference. Na nka agenda no ba. Ye kopia mu wo ho no mu bi. Atinka TV ba ye, Dazi TV ba ye, Ghost 24 wo ho, Oyerepa wo ho. Why media stations there. No know how ho no mo. The so mo read documents 18 pages. Edi ma me Akosua Serwaa enka ata bi no mo kire ye. Prove ye say inse bebre ekoso wo media ne so no ntro. Na we any omo no kre. I'm like, this is interesting. I had a Gossip 24. Merci we need him. So maybe I subscribe button so. No, I click about notification icon so. It's a press conference that's no. Team legal wives for team legal wives and team legal wives and legal husbands. A read documents. Na me say be. Mama a copy of the documents. Na ya kasa yentina say. Na yan kind documents ne hwe. It's on my copy. They was about 18 pages. 18 pages. And the what documents in mo. The first page in the introduction. And so we introduce some team legal wives and legal husbands. And on more carbon on we press conference we. Now the Atomami Akosua Serwaa no a test for a justice system no. Actually say a justice system is it here. Into your modi on person we are saying na tibi. Now ye Ghana near who said the Atomami Akosua Serwaa or chinebi a bit to me at home. Almost say we have convened this press conference because what you will hear is more than a family dispute. It's a case study in how procedural malfeasance, evidential disregard, and apparent bias within a court of law can conspire to strip a lawful wife of her dignity, her rights, and her legacy. We are here to present documented facts, expose glaring contradictions, and issue a clarion call for systemic integrity. The case of Mrs. Akosua Serwaa versus a system that has failed her is a litmus test for the very soul of our nation's justice system. We therefore ask for your attention. I mean, more your attention. Way more your attention to Motuaso. Motuaso. Now is a page. Next page, no. Who is Mr. Charles Kodefosu? A.K. that number. Now, Mr. That number there. Yeah, I him so a musician. And I say, before hobby, no, Mr. Mbechim. That number, a musician. On my Akosua Serwaa to an amount. Copy so mobile Ghana. Ebe ware wa mamre so in the year 2004 omoko register e Germany born him na omoko register wo na that no made mama Akosua Serwaa ete ho no mo a no mo te ase no omo ye made te afi omo de busumi nsia wa afi mu ebe ye nwom no na omo de abusumi nsia bepem wo Ghana ebe promote enwom no a mama Akosua Serwaa supported that Lumba we side media until 1993 achimota na that Lumba eyi mama Akosua Serwaa e ma ye di kan enti owo kire a so check that Lumba Bapeni Calvin. Now check Denise. Busomi I don't know. Just 3 months pay. 3 months pay no difference no. That Lumba na mama Akosua Serwaa sabon no. Eti another Lumba na mama Akosua Serwaa I want come Calvin no. Na that Lumba churchiri. Emma Denise eba picture no. That Lumba saso to asubiom. Omo say that Lumba saso to asubiom. Have another affair with Germany with another lady omo friend Georgina. Georgina eba ene dare no they say no so ya dia e sheba me Akosua Serwaa na so na mu no wa mbie na no because Georgina de o he na danfo na say Georgina ne sa so hwema me Akosua Serwaa enkwala ne ma no ene dare ebe pie picture ne to that Lumba ne Georgina team legal wise for the choice e wo press conference mu no mo say so ni na mu no ma me Akosua Serwaa kana no tumu e support that Lumba the music career e promote no from 1989 on na champo ye me yakwa kwetu mo Germany ni ade nyina mama Akosua Serwaa gina na Lumba echi 2012 mama Akosua Serwaa ehwe ne sister oba Ghana en ma on da Lumba nyina ekwo ye ni ye de o so mo ye bia mama Akosua Serwaa tai ba Ghana 2018 oba ye 2021 oba Ghana wa abandon da Lumba da wa abandon da Lumba da nemo onumom ena da Lumba e abandon no say see, then Omoka Wahanum say, sadly, in 2012, Mrs. Akosua Serwaa experienced the loss of her sister, prompting her to return to Ghana for the funeral, when she attended alongside Daddy Lumba. During this time, his wife was aware of his frequent complaint of back pains. After returning to Germany later that year, they began necessary arrangements for his health and later surgery. Prior to the procedure, he mentioned to his wife the urgent need to return to Ghana quickly and back in time for the scheduled surgery in Germany, their matrimonial abode. However, when he landed in Ghana, to her shock, He informed her of the real reason why he left to Ghana, which was that he feared to undergo surgery in Germany, as he didn't trust the healthcare providers in Germany. Question no, but I mean, because that was the plan. But Daddy Lumba, have in way, just say, or making the choice as an adult. After said that my reveal his plans which and no mammy Akosua Serwaa him say come plans for no. One kasa otina Germany hwe nkwala no it is obi wo ho no ma ya abandon na. Eh ono mammy Akosua Serwaa no bom na abandon. O say clearly she was abandoned. Even during this abandonment, she still kept in constant communication and help towards her husband. Testimony from court documents reveals that it was plaintiff Akosua Serwaa who brought medications for her deceased husband. It's Mammy Akosua Serwaa abandoned that Lumba. So be abandoned that abandoned Obia. That Lumba and a giant matrimonial home or Germany or a PMU or Ghana has. Team legal wise for the press conference. No, Moka say, Oshani ne we now be say why na Daddy Lumba? Who be say why na Daddy Lumba? Answer I'll bet me the ama. I be define Daddy Lumba. Lumba. Papa. Just say now a genius artist. What I said? Na ne career no was enabled and sustained by the wife, Mammy Akosua Serwaa. Was it? Remember, you guys for the car say an honest account of who is Daddy Lumba must unequivocally answer. He was a man whose genius was enabled and sustained by his wife, Akosua Serwaa, for over 30 years. No more baby say a question say. Now why so the Priscilla atawo for am so Priscilla atawo for there. On na nkofo ni mi social media so say friend Odo Broni no Odo Broni na si o why Daddy Lumba and say Daddy Lumba why in the year 2010. Now so no enkrata be mekoko hu say Odo Broni file here so per British visa in the year 2025 no. Or take a box say you single. Say no Odo Broni take here e wo so some more evidence ho. Typical wife for the trouble win mo. Some more evidence so Odo Broni take here so you single goes off the form sir. You be say married, single, divorced, widow, and as a widow, which Odo Broni take single. No Odo Broni no buy ye no or the how be brain aba or me busia for ya omu enye emotionally inquire physically so system no detail mo na the edi kan and so Odo Broni akente japade so almost first the illicit seizure and distribution of properties. The most tangible harm is the misappropriation of assets built by Daddy Lumba and his lawful wife, Akosua Serwaa. The family home and other properties are not abstract concepts. The house at Tantra Hills and the property in Dome, East Legon, and many others were built by Akosua Serwaa and her husband, aka the late Charles Kodu. These were the fruits of decades-long marriage and partnership. Yet, a more alleged say Priscilla, and decide no money na man for. What I say, a day what Tantra Hills, a day what Dome, Ninuanom, and the Busiafo, and the extended family, and the team. And I team now say Japade we no, and your inheritance that's out of way, a mama who cries on Muslim. Now so Priscilla for that, and he said Japade na mamma Busiafo, and a Busiafo sits a Japadenina. After so, DLFM Honomono, baby, just a Daddy Lumba, and Mamma Akosua Serwaa a great year as a venture no. Madame Priscilla for ye, and then the Busia 4 years, you might honor my canteen so. It's when it represents a wholesale diversion of legacy and income stream from legitimate family no to the family of Mammy Priscilla for you. Team legal is supposed to say a press conference document no say almost as to chem say Sambe a year and she say na ke wo say fa na kwan so no. Omo de nhye ne fa achewa ma on the 12th of December 2025 court and the injunction by na fe court na so say U10 bio. It's so bizarre say why na person for yata dia record omo team legal is for no. HSA on fast from Yemba Busia and more das about that global life. On fast from Yemba. And there are a lot of allegations on make here. A lot of allegations and will make here about Priscilla Fuyata. And then almost also called history of court cases, accusations, the injunction, and a how on witnessing injustice. From first case, no, senior judge Dorinda Smith Arthur, a ruling out Mammy Akosua Serwaa. The marriage certificate no to how eja omoko siki injunction na injunction no oma grant no all of a sudden oma ba to egu I say ni na no omo say justice denied na say justice denied ne so no ama kwan ama inheritance fraud e prevail ama sa me di japade anka wo se mama Akosua Serwaa and Daddy Lumba ye no kama me Akosua Serwaa etumi administer no mama Priscilla ebusuafo e na aka enten so it's your motive legal wise for there omo ye appeal to Ghana for any authorities omo kebia ewom any omo amanone so munti omo asem di mom because ama for taka say na mama Akosua Serwaa amba Ghana da and amba Ghana da omo kita the passport omo bet media kire mama Akosua Serwaa ba Ghana 2018 2021 asem na omo karo papa shi enkomo boyi
Akosua Serwaa fosu oba ekunafo ya we yenua Daddy Lumba ne yire ya yenyina ene onyankopon di adanse se onana yinim se Daddy Lumba eware no de kanyina akosi ni se oni ni wura eti akwantuo mu ewo Germany ya wo ye oba awarefo na wo mo ma na mo atan akwantuo ni mo hwe munim se de akwantuo mu tie munim se de suno mu tie munim se de abrabotie ewo ho enye easy na kodum pempenso bi e ma ni wura ye se obeba Ghana aba be business kakra na omudi akoniaba Mama Serwaa baby woni mofra ne baby omo acquire properties ya me ameka se me dancing do me dan no me na me siye obi so obi o do me a me na me siye ne yetela pasa e na me ne kotra atimota me na me hwe si sa dan no ene ye hya ase o tantra one ne yira Akosua Serwaa japade is legon me ne na ne ko so dia se one ne yira Akosua Serwaa japade enye no nko baby a radio station on Wisconsin ye do media no sa tamra na yato asas na ne ye waduma omo be swimming pool ma ye no omo na ne omo ye waduma menu aketo giga one hye eyi na wo no there is sliding doors no one ye enti de make na ye no kore na ne ma bebre kwa akoso akwa achew aba be pie court justice aye ma me ni hia no wanya yabu atenchia na sese no okwa api nti epese Ghana man o my penny mama nananom ahemfo asofo Ghana man ginara mo maye ma pepepe yoba se pepepe yo ama ye nuanom ne ye maame no mo so akontu mo aware e won krata mu no omo ni future echina ye dewo nua ba ye do maame it can happen to your daughter. Yes, ya de wa enyo de no ye mfanye ye nua ye ya kanyina ne se pepepe your justice na injustice ta ekoso concerning mama Akosua Serwaa case no every system no because ye chinchim ne nsa agu nachi ye chinchim maame ne nsa agu nachi ne ye se pani obetra fie ama mofra we nanka ne ye ka nanka refo a uka ho bi ti Ghana mpanimfo nyina am sorry na pepepe yo emra se mutie enwum a Daddy Lumba boy na ni 60th birthday kura se mo kan wo se me yira Akosua Serwaa mati sika aware no onti mi nya me de mo ka no me nya problem o me spine ye me surgery e na mo se me yire a poison me wa sign yiri ni ti ne yire poison no enipa bi afremu asem etwa ntro de atoma ame no so agu nanimu ase for 10 bad years enye good years o hye hudi o de akọ adwuma o Germany wontimi mpaganiti o se wonim de okwa go hu no de akọ ka fa no because nipa bi ahye da pam atare de ahye no na ss ehun se obini ni kunu na mu a maame na poison ni kunu ntina all right so okotwe mpana ana okoko fa mpana enipa na hye adwuma we banyankopon se de so akata nyina no eda nanimu adagya ena Awurade a expose ona we yes ano ye nyina de ani ahu bidie course o court ye nyina ye de ani ahu bidie akoso social media ni wura film no ayiye ehun sensem de yasi ne krata ye de aware no no abusuan pani Kofiusu ya na mu freni Tupac ono so bono mra ne sampa we Tupac o se maame ne krata no ye nukumase Ashanti Newtown ye fake it's uncalled for Ghana mpanimfo mo TV mo hwe bi e o UTV dia na mo atimi aka afa ho a dear na mwatimi aka fa ho fa ne sa Akosua Serwaa ye onua ba wo ye wo yire ene ye ni say dear na wo be feel. How do you feel for this woman on kasa ene ma akwa achew me wo passport wo hanuma the passport mama about 2010 2011 2014 2015 2018 in Akosua Serwaa ba and so much antrat no say 17 years on ma Ghana no ni kunu ejai me passport ni pajo emam ne passport a wodi ba Ghana eni so ati ase o ba Ghana eni the passport wodi ba Ghana eni so ati ase Akosua Serwaa ba Ghana ebesra ni kunu omo tetantra so ati ase wo ba na obi twempra na yedna kwa akotete baabi so ati ase we ni di akoso o yo ba on kasa en wa megu ni kunu ni mu ase o public intro ya nkofo atwa frame di atoma amene se ye jana ware we divorcee for 17 years is lie e intro 17 years onini kunu enkasa aware bia misunderstanding ewom menti me wanse ewom 2021 so osabaye wo baya ma an Roberts impo ekoto hye no so tiemiye an Roberts ko to hye mam Serwaa so ewo baby okoso ya enka akronfo kokuno so ade ase ema akronfo gajense wo koba aka mo magana biu hwe bone ayaye no wa bone brani ni kunu 85 en wo hia me brother Charles 85 en wo mu hia ye when the Akosua eti Ghana aban empanimfo Chief Justice President Mama empanimfo mo judicial system mo ka ensem as a judges mo fa pepepe your emra because ye we a global issue foreigners share ye call German embassy no consulate ni say they are watching this case very close very carefully because someone you want krata antuma most mo de mon krata beba Britain force hwebi America force hwebi enti enokre eye ba ko pe enokre truth eye ba ko pe edu me say Ghana ye ka enokre enti na team legal wife almost we pray and then we move ye mbompa ye nkadem ye bompa ye ne aba abonteni mo abekasa as a nipa as a nyankopon ma se nyankopon kra one o se de waka bomu no ema enipa bia entitim na warrior o nyankopon she the institution from the most high God also mo nipa bia entitim enti as a believer as evangelist mintimi kamanu ntum e wo de akoso no ene de ekoso no ene ya Akosua Serwaa ebia na kira ye obaba ene ye maami Akosua Serwaa fosu ebia na kira ye sister. It can happen to your mom so no maami ne o papa ti o ne bia o papa akotwe mpra ana wa fiu maami achi ebedu ba bia be kam wasi abonten obi a yanware no be kase ya ware no abra woni aware certificate ana woni picture ana woni evidence yakoware amnimsi yakosre aware oba efri ni papa ho se ni papa ewu a ni papa de odi na de beba ni maame beba ni maame ewu a abusuafo beba ye hu bi sa wo court ho ye storytellings di on be kan yeso ya wufuo di ne beboboye ye nyina ho mbo ya bo ya ba ya when the course and so judge oba what na dwanum say di obedi adansi krumu na dansi ne ye papa eche maami Akosua brempoma ya ninua Charles Kwadwo fosu odi nachi na obedi adansi ma na kuma Akosua Serwaa fosu no judge ba say di obedi adansi na wanya evidence bia papa Ghana ben yetie o ma ben ye when the map President Trump ekano 8 years back say Ghana Africa is a shithole okay nyina ye offended na me nti ase but the akosu die na je say papa no odi bim si antimi ama pepepe yo ama e wo ye justice system ya ye nyina ye de boye ho ban ene ye constitution ya ye de boye ho ban ene nyankopon asem ye say ye Christian nation, we call ourselves Christian nation. Say na Yesu achidifo ye say ni nyankopon ma ye say ni ye si nyankopon ma ye na ye bu ye ni egu bone so de akoso no entwa yi na we de Genesis ye bompa ye say api no bibibia be ye pepe akola ebu si katwonite yankata ye ni nti no na api na ba na maame Akosua Serwaa ne rightful decision na no kure na justice aye adwuma anya sa from api to Supreme Court, from Supreme Court to be a UN. So what you say enka here sa Akosua Serwaa nya justice enya di aga na man team legal wife nyankopon ma ye betena se enya adwuma esese onya justice Akosua Serwaa fosu esese onya justice e o my ganem enya sa enka
Adafo ahaya gossip 24 utumo say document there ensebo enye ni na ebetumi dey anu aka what you say ensebo document no ensebo be na wo what you say ahaya gossip 24